Welcome to ZM Quiz Academy. Think you are smart? Only the sharpest minds survive this 20-question AI challenge. Each question comes with 4 options. Only one is correct. Can you score a perfect 20 of 20? Are you ready to play? Challenge your friends and let the AI showdown begin. What does AI stand for? Artificial Intelligence. ZM Quiz Academy question number 2. Who is known as the father of artificial intelligence? John McCarthy. ZM Quiz Academy question number 3. In which year was the term artificial intelligence first coined? In 1956. ZM Quiz Academy question number 4. Which AI program defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997? Deep Blue. ZM Quiz Academy question number 5. Which company developed ChatGPT? OpenAI. What does NLP in AI stand for? Natural Language Process. Which of the following is not a type of AI learning? Hyperlearning. Which AI system won the quiz show, Jeopardy, in 2011? Watson AI. Which is considered the most advanced AI model as of 2025? GPT-5. Like, share, and subscribe ZM Quiz Academy.
Which company created AlphaGo, the AI that defeated human champions in the game of Go? DeepMind. What does ML stand for in AI? Machine learning.
ZM Quiz Academy question number 12. Which of these is an example of weak AI? Siri. ZM Quiz Academy question number 13. Which of the following is an example of computer vision? Image classification. ZM Quiz Academy question number 14. Which AI-powered assistant belongs to Amazon? Alexa. ZM Quiz Academy question number 15. What does AND stand for in AI? Artificial Neural Network. Which AI model is mainly used for image recognition? CNN AI model. Which of the following is a danger often associated with AI? Bias in decision making. Which AI concept allows computers to learn from mistakes and rewards? Reinforcement learning. Which programming language is most commonly used in AI development? Python language. Which field uses AI the most? Healthcare. Like, share, and subscribe ZM Quiz Academy.